Hey guys, it is SoCal Supers here back with another video. Today we're doing something special, going to Cars and Coffee in San Clemente. I'm meeting up with my friend Amir and we're going to go check out the wonderful and weird and unique cars in Cars and Coffee. Anyway, if you guys enjoy this video, consider subscribing. I appreciate it. I had 4,000 subscribers right now. Never in a million years did I think I'd reach it. So thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Look at this. Fucking nothing. We're like touching the steering. Someone with that's like a piece of art. Is it the low compression pistols?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they're flat tops.
Oh, they are flat tops?
Yeah.
They're not indented, huh?
Don't have to. We underdrive the blower 17%, so it's only making like 9 or 10,000 liters. If we're gonna make more, we're gonna have to put alcohol in it. I don't want to change the carburetors to alcohol because it's very corrosive. You're constantly flushing them and working on them. With gasoline, it just runs perfect. So it's just a street car.
Oh, yeah. Cops ever question it?
No, because it's cold. Oh, it's around 6 or 7. It's not very much like today's. That's awesome.
That's ridiculous. Oh, that's fantastic. How much is it producing?
Don't know yet.
Don't know yet? You haven't
Nope.
dynoed it?
No, it's one of those things where it's not tuned.
Oh.
What I want, my intake air temps are maybe 10 degrees above ambient, which
Okay.
under a hood,
Yeah.
that's pretty damn good.
Yeah.
So, but
All
it's
right.
not optimized for the setup, and finding a tuner for this car is a nightmare. So, been looking for 2.5 years and nothing.
Nothing, really.
So.
Tuna?
Just send it, I just go. But
It looks
running at
it
Big
looks
Willow.
fantastic.
She does high 12s in the quarter mile at Fontana.
That's awesome.
And it's okay, if I had to guess, I'd say maybe around 400 wheel, give or take, but...
And have you got the car stripped out or is it stock?
No, it's most of the interior's there, but...
Do you daily drive it or?
What's that?
Do you daily drive it or do you just take it out on weekends? It's probably a bit too
weekend
raw
car.
to...
Yeah,
drive it.
no AC, none of that stuff. That's all been pulled out.
Jeez, you must struggle then in this weather when it starts to get warm.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's what the window's down are for,
And you got the carbon fiber hood and everything.
Thank you.
Wow.
Yeah, we're doing a half cage today, so
Oh, that should be
done
interesting.
here, heading out to the IE to start on that.
You really can't find any tuners in California for the...
No, it's very difficult. I've tried working with a lot of local tuners, and none of them want to touch it. So, it is what it is.